Here we are with the 10th weirdest animal, the scorpion fly. Scorpion flies are an insect belonging to the order Mecoptera, and are characterized by their weird mouths and, of course, that scorpion-like tail. These insects look like they would be deadly predators, but they are actually scavengers and primarily eat dead insects. Their tail is not a stinger, and is instead used for mating purposes. These flies are somewhat intelligent and have been seen stealing food from spiderwebs. Despite their fierce appearance, these flies are very scared of humans, making it much harder to study them. Here we are with yet another scorpion-like animal, the scorpion-tailed spider. This genus of spiders, which are scientifically known as Arachnira, are known for their, scorpion-like tails. Their tail can move, and the females will act like scorpions to deter predators. Female scorpion-tailed spiders are about 8 times the size of the males. Thankfully, these spiders' venom isn't very potent, as they rely on their scorpion cosplay to scare away threats. Now we move on to number 8, the scalyfoot gastropod. These strange sea snails are only found on hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor. These snails are famous for their iron-like scales on their feet and their abnormally large hearts, which help them survive in their extreme environment. The scales on the feet of these fascinating snails, along with the outer layer of their 3-layer shells, are made up of iron sulfides, making them very strong. Although they have a solid defense, these snails are an endangered species. Now it's time for number 7, the red-lipped batfish. The red-lipped batfish is a weird-looking fish that lives around the Galapagos Islands. They are known for their bright red lips and their ability to move along the ocean floor using their fins. It uses the lure on its head to lure in its prey, which consists of small fish and tiny invertebrates. These weird fish don't really look like a bat, even though it's called the red-lipped batfish. Now it's time for number 6, the naked mole rat. These weird animals are known for their ability to survive with low oxygen and their immunities to cancer. These creatures are the only mammalian thermoconformer, or cold-blooded mammal. They also live in large colonies led by a queen. Although a small rodent, these amazing animals can live up to 3 decades. Now we're on to the top 5. Starting with the goblin shark. These rare deep-sea fish are famous for their long snout and their strange jaw that can extend to catch prey. This jaw is its weirdest feature. Despite its appearance and how rare encounters are, the goblin shark is classified as least concern, meaning they are nowhere near endangerment. Number 4, the sea pig, doesn't even look like an animal, but they are. They are a type of deep-sea cucumber. Sea pigs are known for their elongated tube feet that resemble legs. These animals are very helpful to their environment. They clean up the ocean floor. Sea pigs also provide shelter for young king crabs. They are able to protect the crabs because of a poison that lies in their skin. We've reached the top 3, starting with the olm. The olm is a blind, cave-dwelling, aquatic salamander that can live for up to 100 years. Their front feet have 3 toes, while their back feet have 2 toes. Despite its appearance, the olm is a predator that primarily feeds on small crustaceans. The Indian purple frog is the second weirdest animal. It is scientifically known as that. These weird frogs are known for their burrowing habits and live in, India. The females carry the males to the egg-laying site. Although they can lay up to 3,000 eggs at a time, they are endangered. Alright, it's time for number 1. The absolute weirdest animal is the Antarctic scaleworm. These 8-inch long worms are characterized by their frills and fangs. They are believed to be predatory, and I believe it. They extend their mouth from a hole in their body and live, as the name suggests, in the southern or Antarctic Ocean.